Hey friends, how's it going? I'm on the PA Turnpike. Beautiful fall November day. You can see the changing of the leaves. Unfortunately, most of them have blown off, but you still get an idea what it's like in Pennsylvania during the fall. So I'm on my way up to pick up my new leaf springs. I'll show you those in a little bit, and we'll catch you up on some other stuff that's been going on. Got some projects we're going to be doing in the winter, and I hope you can stick around and watch some videos. All right, till then, we'll be right back. Okay, so a couple of things I'm going to be working on, probably split up the videos. This is a new 2 1/4 inch Hi-Flo exhaust system for the Slant Six. Okay, if you know anything about the Slant Six, they have very small ports, tubes. These are 2 1/4 inch. So as opposed to what's on there now, which is 1 7/8. You can see down there, that's the difference here. Yeah, it's only about that much. In addition to that, to take care of my saggy rear end, got a new set of leaf springs. These are ride height plus an additional 1 inch. So I'm hoping to just lift the end up a little bit, just give it a little better stance. In addition to that, I got all new hardware for this, all new shackles, all new U-bolts. So that'll be another project. All right. Today what I'm working on is trying to get the old exhaust system off. I've already tried to get these bolts off. You're going to probably wind up having to cut them off. As long as I don't damage the outlet of the exhaust manifold, will be good. Because I have a new flange already on this part. Can't see, it's wrapped up. The flange is right here. And got brand new bolts, brand new gasket. So we'll just get shit and canning the old stuff. All right, we'll be back. Let's see how I do with this. All right, this is a before sound. Not very threatening. Okay, don't ask me how, but I was able to get this bolt out. I thought it would be like impossible to get out. I was all ready to cut the bottom part of it out. So this one's a little harder to get to. And I wound up using a mount and a 6-point wrench on it. And I got one out. So we'll see what happens with the next one. Okay, what I thought was going to be like the hardest part of this job has turned out to be one of the easiest. So that means something else is going to mess up somewhere down the line. But I'm almost ready to get this bolt out. It's almost down to the bottom threads. So that's where we're standing with that. Okay, so now we're under the car. Everything's loose in the front. Got a weird clamp here that the other people had on there, and I kind of needed it because I put a little patch joint in here. So I'm going to try to remove all this cobbled up exhaust system, get these pipes out of here, and we'll go on from there. Okay. Was able to get everything off, tailpipe, and let's see if this just slips down. I don't know. It's probably caught on something. Let's go check. Okay, got the old pipe out. The new pipe is in. Fits like a charm. Got to figure out how to attach this, and we'll be on our way. And yes, this is not going to sound good. Believe me.